Hi, welcome to the NordPass video guide. I'm Simas, a sales engineer here at NordPass. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Password Health tool. Let's get started. Password Health can verify the strength of the password stored in your NordPass vault, quickly identifying vulnerable ones. When identified, all passwords flagged as vulnerable will be grouped based on the organization's policies into 3 different categories. The categories are weak. These are passwords that are characterized by insufficient complexity or short length, making them vulnerable to attacks. Reused. Passwords that have been used for more than one account or application. Old. Passwords that have not been changed within a specified period. To see which passwords are vulnerable, open any of the categories. You'll find options to view the password and access the corresponding website to change it. We recommend using the NordPass password generator for quickly creating strong new passwords. Whenever NordPass autofills a weak or reused password, you'll receive a pop-up notification. For enhanced security, we recommend changing such passwords to stronger ones. Password Health also comes with the Exposed Passwords feature, which scans the dark web to check if any of your accounts saved in NordPass are using passwords that have already been compromised through data breaches involving other users. This helps identify accounts that could be at risk, even if your passwords weren't directly affected. If a match is found, you'll be informed which accounts in your vault contain an exposed password. This makes it easier to update them and reduce the risk of a potential breach. Great, now you're all set. If you have any questions about this topic or NordPass in general, contact our customer support team for assistance. Stay safe.